welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. Today I have a very exciting unboxing and I'm not gonna chat too much. I'm just gonna get right to it. So it has been quite the year. I feel like I've gotten so many planners this year, and some have worked and very few have worked out of the planners that I've gotten. And I decided to get yet another planner. So I saw this girl on Instagram. If I find her handle, I'm gonna put it here. But she was using this planner from Commit30, I think it is. And y'all, I fell in love with the way she was decorating her planner, and I'm like, I have to have that planner. I was using my it was the common planner in the Hobonichi week size. It's called, like, I think an N1 or something like that, and I haven't touched it. In I don't know how long. I think probably a month, and this one seems like it will work. All right, so let's just get right to it. Also, I got this one for free. How crazy is that? It is dated, so I feel like there will be a couple of months that, you know, they're not gonna be used, but we still have half a year. So anyways, let's start with this one. Let me open everything up and I'll show you how it looks like, because I've been waiting, y'all. I've been waiting for about a week so I can open this with you guys. 2 minutes of struggling. I'm finally getting to open this up. Y'all, I know I'm a pink girly. My planner bestie told me last time, you are a pink girly. You have always loved pink. But this shade of pink, I don't know what's going on, but I've been obsessed with this shade of pink. So I love the outside. I love that it has an elastic, because hey, we don't know how thick this is gonna get. We have a little pocket back here. This reminds me a lot of the Passion Planner. All right. Ooh, all right. This is like, you guys are gonna get a blind reaction of everything. Okay, so in here we have, this is a bookmark. There are 7 days in the week and some day isn't one of them. I like that. I really like that. We hope our planners and tools help you have the best year ever. I love this. So here are their socials. Really nice. We have some stickers, y'all. This is not sponsored or anything. I purchased this with my own money. Love that they have stickers. Okay, so let's just jump right in. This is the name page. Commit to self-care, make your health a priority, plan ahead, eat real food, watch less TV, dream big. Y'all, this is what I need. I need something that kind of like, I need a guided health planner or wellness planner, because I don't know, I want guidance. If you know what I mean. Not for my regular planner, but for this, like my wellness, I need it. All right, so I love this. I'm not gonna read the whole thing because, you know, it's gonna take forever. This is the name page, as you can see. So here, Commit30, commit to fitness, food, fun. And here we have the goals. My goal is 2, so you can put what your goal is for the planner. I commit to work out so and so many times a week. I will, and I love this. So this is like a promise that you're making to yourself. And I heard someone say once, keep the promises you make to yourself. And that's one of the things that I made a promise to myself that I was going to keep up with my wellness this year. So this is an attempt to continue that, because I started out really good. I just, you know, haven't continued. All right, tips to achieve your health commitment. So in here we have a list of things. Commit to yourself. You are the best person for making change and caring for yourself. Schedule your workouts in your planner and don't break them. Train with goals in mind. And then you have a space in case you want to write goals of yourself. You know, goals that are not these. Okay, hope I'm making sense, y'all. I'm rambling. Okay, so in here we have a monthly planning. Okay, so this is my monthly action steps. Plan out your days the night before and set realistic, achievable goals. The key to success is found in your daily routine. I really love this. I think this is just like a guide of what you can do to set yourself for success in this planner. I love this. So in here it says tracking suggestions. You can track your miles and distance, your pace, steps, energy, calories, macros, carbs, and sugar. Love that. Let me zoom you guys in a little bit more just so you can see. Okay, so in here we have like the planning. One of the reasons why I got this planner besides everything is that I have my water, like, you know, I have the tracker for the water. I can track my meals, and it's just, I don't know, I love the way I just have everything guided for me. You know what I mean? I love that. Of course I can decorate it and all that stuff, but that's so amazing. Okay, so in here, in here I can do like a wellness vision board. 30-day goal, 2-month goal, 3-month goal. I mean, you could do whatever you want. I can just cover it up if I don't want to have this here, but this is really cool. And then before and after pictures. That is very nice. And then we have health, fitness, and wellness goals. So if you have something that you just want to achieve, you want to run a mile without, you know, losing your breath, which will be something I would want to do, but you could put it here. You know what I mean? I love this. When I saw the girls planner, I thought it was a sticker, but it actually comes in the planner. I love this. All right, so in here we have a monthly goal that we can make. So you have your monthly goal and your action steps, and you can write if you reached your goal and your effort from 1 through 10. I love that. This month I commit to, and then you have your 30 days, and then you can reward yourself at the end. That is awesome. Okay, I forgot this was an undated planner. I really like this because if I kind of fall off the wagon, which I hope I don't, then I'm not gonna feel as bad. I like this. So in here you have a little section that says quick stats. So you can start with you could put your weight, your energy, other non-scale victory, and the next month's goal. So you have it for both sides. Awesome. And here's how the weekly looks like. I love this. I love this. And also it has a habit tracker down here. I don't have to write a habit tracker, or I don't have to put a sticker. It's already there. I like this. I like this. And then you have a little goal that you can set for the next week. Let's say you want to walk a mile every day next week, or walk 4 miles, you know, if you do more, because, you know, you get it. Goals this week, to do and reward, daily tracking, and then right here you have a workout plan, a food plan, and then you track your water. This is awesome. I love this. I love this. So I would love to just create a workout plan for up here, and then track my meals, and then I don't know, some other habits. Everything health related. I would love that. I love it. So I love this. Okay, so that's just how it looks like, you know, throughout the weeklies. Let me see. Okay, let me just see how it goes here. So we have a whole month. Yep. And then we move to the next month. Yeah. So then we have, at the end of the month, we have like a blank page. And then we have the next, I guess it's like a dashboard. You can do it. So it's like climbing a mountain. That is so nice. And then again, you can set your goals for the month. And then what you're committing to. You decorate your month. I love, one thing that I really love, I love planners that have the monthly and then the weeks right after, because I don't know, I feel like my brain needs to be rewired to have all the months here in the front and then everything in the back. I don't know, I just really love this type of layout where you have the month and then right away you have the weeks. I really love this. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, so here's the end of that. And here's the next dashboard. So I'm just gonna flip through them really quick because everything is just pretty much the same. It's just a dashboard that changes.
was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and miss.
Alright, so here's the last few pages are just note pages to really just write whatever you want. Let me see. And then that is pretty much it. You get the little pocket in the back, and that is pretty much it, y'all. I have to say that I absolutely love this planner. I did not think I would love it so much. Also, I don't know what to compare it with because I don't have my planner here, but if I have to say, I would probably say that it's like an A5 size. I think so. All right, so now I'm gonna show you the planner that I got. Let me open this up. All right, so let me open this baby up. Okay, so this is a regular planner. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at the bookmark. Super gorgeous. And of course we have the stickers. And this is just a regular planner. I think all her planners have like the same concept where you can track your goals. So I actually really love that. So we have here the year overview for 2025, 2026. We have all the holidays here, which I really appreciate. Okay, so in here you get like a vision board with your the goals that you have for the year: physical, mental, spiritual, personal, home, career, finances, community. Oh my gosh, I really like this. And it kind of shows you here what you can do, which I love. Monthly goals overview. And then in here we have January, Dare to Begin. This is a dated planner, y'all. So you can set goals for the month. So this is different from the undated, which is really pretty, and it's a Monday start, which I really love as well. And here's how the weekly looks like. You do have like a time from 5 a.m. to like 7 p.m. but I've never really paid attention to that really. You have a little checklist here on the left side. You have a space down here for notes. And I really love how dark and bold the letters, you know, the words of the week are. Really nice. And again, this is the same throughout. And then you have different dashboards. I love this. Show up, start small, keep going. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys the dashboards because they are kind of like the older planner.
I've always have your back. We like all the same tracks. Listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast. Don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you.
Alright, so this is December. Now I'm intrigued. Okay, so we have all the way until the first couple of days of January. Stop wishing, start doing. Okay, and then in here we have monthlies for 2026. Okay, January, February, March. Okay, so we have the months for the whole year for 2026. That is very helpful because if you're planning doctor's appointments or trips and you need that really helps. All right, and then you have a section back here for notes. Really cool. And it is dotted. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it is dots. It has dots. And then we have the little pocket here. Now this planner, I did not want it to say it like to everyone because I want to make this just for my subscribers. I'm gonna be giving away this planner. I took it out of the packaging because I wanted you to see it inside and see what you're getting. So I'm gonna give away this planner along with the like bookmark and stickers, and maybe I'll throw in something. I reached my 500 videos uploaded in this channel. I've been having this channel since 2015 and it's about to be 10 years. So I feel like they're big milestones for my channel. once I started, when I started this channel, I never thought I would have the subscribers that I have. My intention was never to be popular. My intention has never been to be viral. I did this channel just for fun, so I'm really excited to have a little, even if it's a small community and a small amount of subscribers, but that are loyal to me. So thank you so much for sticking around in my channel. I know I've had some ups and downs. I have been uploading I have been consistent for some months, and then I just disappear. Life happens, but this is just my way of saying thank you. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope you join the giveaway. Just I want you to comment down below and tell me what kind of videos you would like to see in my channel. And of course, it is a subscriber giveaway, so that's all you have to do. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you all really soon. Bye.